Hi class, today our topic of discussion is linear inequation. Now suppose we take any two numbers, real numbers, suppose x and y, and they are real numbers, then three cases arises. One, x is equal to y. Number two, x is greater than y. Or number three, x is less than y. Now these two together is written as x greater than equal to y, which means x is either greater or equal to, and these two together is written as x less than equal to y. So these signs are known as inequality sign. Okay, and a statement which is written with the help of variables and constant using these inequality sign are known as linear inequation. For example, if you look, I write 3x plus 2 by 5 greater than equal to 3, or 5x minus 2 less than equal to 5, or x greater than 3. These are all my linear inequation. So in general, we can write linear inequation in the form of ax plus b greater than 0, or ax plus b less than 0, or ax plus b greater than equal to 0, or ax plus b less than equal to 0. Definitely a not equal to 0 and ab belongs to your real number. Okay, now look at this inequation. Okay, suppose I write x less than 3 and x belongs to whole number. It means that the value of x is coming from whole number. So whole number becomes the replacement set. So what is a replacement set? The set from which the value of x is chosen. The set from which value of x is chosen is known as replacement set, which in this case is whole number. Now look carefully. If I want to write this in roster form, I know the values 0, 1, 2, because this values of x satisfies the inequation. So this is known as my solution set. Solution set. So what is solution set? The values of x which satisfy the inequation. Okay, now remember, in case in a sum, if replacement set is not given, we'll take the replacement set as the real number. Now we look at some procedures which we should follow while solving linear inequation. Now we need to know some procedure while solving a linear inequation. First of all, isolate all variable terms on one side and constant on other side. Like we solve equation, bring the variables on one side and bring the constant on other side. Okay, never use cross multiplication. Be careful, never ever, because there's nothing called cross multiplication in mathematics. So now the question arises, if something is in fractional form, suppose x minus 2 by 6 greater than equal to 1 by 2. So if we don't cross multiply, how do we solve? Remove fraction by multiplying both sides with suitable factor. 6 and 2, the LCM is 6, so you multiply both sides by 6. So what it becomes? X minus 2 by 6 multiplied by 6, half multiplied by 6, so this cancels out, this becomes 3, so this becomes x minus 2 greater than equal to 3. See, we are able to remove the denominator by just multiplying both sides with the LCM of the denominator. Done. Now this is very important. Never ever cancel negative sign at the end. What I mean to say, suppose you get a situation minus x greater than minus 5. You can't cancel. Okay, that is wrong. Why? Because if you look, minus 5 is greater than minus 8. So if you cancel negative sign, this becomes a false statement, isn't it? So what do we do? Simple. If you have a situation like this, look carefully. Okay, multiply both sides with -1. And remember, multiplying or dividing an inequality by a negative number changes the inequality, which means if I multiply by -1 on both sides, we get 5 less than 8, which is a true statement. So remember this, even if it is minus x less than equal to 5, don't just bring that minus sign on that side. Okay, what we'll do, we'll multiply -1 on both sides, so it becomes x greater than equal to -5. This is very important. Okay, now look at one more thing. Okay, suppose I write a greater than b. This statement can be written in this form also, b less than a, means the same thing. Similarly, if suppose x less than y, we can write y greater than x. Now remember one more thing, that while solving an inequation, we'll use all the properties which we were using in equations. You can transpose, you can change the side. When the side changes, the sign also changes. But remember these few points which I had told. What I mean, look over here. Suppose I take an example, 3x minus 4 greater than equal to 2x plus 8. So what I can do, 3x, I can bring 2x on that side, so minus 2x, and this is 8, it goes on that side, plus 4. We are transposing as we did in equation, things remains the same, so x is greater than equal to 12. Okay, now we'll look at some numerical problem from this chapter. Okay, look at sum number 1 from M L AGGARWAL, exercise 4. They have told us to solve this inequation rather, and represent the solution set on the number line. Very easy. 3x minus 11 less than 3. So if I add plus 11 on both sides, it becomes 3x less than 3 plus 11. You can transpose also, which means 3x less than 14, which means x less than 14 by 3, dividing by 3 on both sides. So here x is less than 4/2 by 3. Now the replacement set is given. So what is x? X is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my solution set. Now I'll draw a number line. This is suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is -1. I'll take 1, I'll take 2, I'll take 3, I'll take 4. So I've represented the solution set on the number line, and this is my solution set. Now let us look at the next sum. Now let us look at sum number 3. 5 minus 4x greater than 2 minus 3x, and x belongs to whole number. Our replacement set is whole number. We'll solve this. See, 5 minus 4x, 2 minus 3x. So we can write 3x minus 4x greater than 2 minus 5, which is minus x greater than minus 3. Now I told you, you can never cancel negative sign. What we'll do, we'll multiply by -1 on both sides, and when you multiply by -1 on both sides, the inequality sign changes, and this becomes x less than 3, because -1 multiplied by -x gives you plus x. Similarly, -1 multiplied by -3 gives you plus 3. And we know our replacement set, so your solution set will be 0, 1, 2. They've told us to draw the number line also. Very easy. 0, 1, 2, -1. I'll draw some extras also. So we have 0, 1, 2. Be careful in number line, the gaps should be proper, equidistance. Okay, you can do it with a scale 1 centimeter mark. You can use it. Okay, now we look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 7. Okay, what they've given, 2x minus 3 by 4 greater than equal to half. Do not cross multiply. What we'll do, 4 and 2, the LCM is 4, so we multiply both sides by 4. So can we write this multiplied by 4 and this multiplied by 4? This cancels out to 1 time to 2 times. So this becomes 2x minus 3 greater than equal to 2, which means I can write 2x greater than 2 plus 3, which means 2x greater than 5, which means x greater than equal to 5 by 2. So our solution set is given. So what, sorry, the replacement set is given. So what will the solution set? greater than 5 by 2, which means greater than 2.5. So it will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is our solution set, isn't it? And they told us to draw the number line also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll take 1 or 2 extra. That's 9. That's 0. So what are my answers? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the number line for this solution set. Now we look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 10. A is a set. X is such that x belongs to integer and the value of x is from -4 to 4, both included, okay? And they told us to solve 2x minus 3 less than 3. They've written a thing, see, where x has the domain A, which means the value of x comes from A, which means A is nothing but a replacement set. So we'll solve the equation first. 2x minus 3 less than 3. So supposing we can do 3 plus 3, okay? So this is 2x less than 6. So we can say s less than this is 3. So what will be my solution set? Less than 3. Over here the values are -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my replacement set. So what will be the solution set? Less than 3. So from -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. They've asked for the number line also, which you can, I think you can draw from now, okay? Now we look at the next sum. We look at sum number 12. They asked for the solution set. See, it's a fraction, okay? So what we'll do to remove the denominator, we'll multiply each and every term with the LCM of the denominator. So we know the LCM is 40. So we'll multiply each and every term by 40. Look over here. So be careful, don't cross multiply, okay? So what this gives, this is 8 times. Now 8 11s are 88 minus 8 2s are 16x greater than equal to 8. This is 5 times, so 545 minus 15x plus this is 10 times, so this is 30. I'll bring x on one side, numbers on other side, so I'll bring 15 on this side. It becomes, by transposing you can say, so it becomes 15x minus 16x greater than equal to, this is 45 plus 30 minus 88. Look over here, okay? So this becomes minus x greater than, this is 75 minus 88, which means minus x greater than, this is how much? Minus 13. Now we know we can never cancel negative sign, but we can multiply by -1. So when you multiply by -1, both becomes positive and the inequality sign changes. So what is our solution set? Our solution set is 1, 2, dot dot till 13. 13 is included. They have already told our solution set belongs to natural number. Solution set is nothing but the natural number. Done. Now we look at the next sum. Now look at this sum, sum number 13. Very interesting. There are two inequation signs, which means there will be two separate inequations. The first one will be from here till this end, and the second one starts from here. The second one and the ends here. There will be two inequation. Let us solve both. So -2 less than equal to half minus 2x by 3. We'll multiply by 6 on both sides. So -2 multiplied by 6 less than equal to half into 6, because the LCM is 6, we know. So this becomes -12 less than equal to 3 minus, this becomes 4x. So our 4x less than equal to 3 plus 12. So your 4x less than equal to 15. So your x less than equal to 15 by 4. So your x is less than equal to 3 by 4. Done. Now we'll solve the other equation. Starts from here, ends here. Okay. Half minus 2x by 3 less than equal to, this is 11 by 6. We'll multiply by 6 on both sides. So half into 6. 2x by 3 multiplied by 6 less than equal to 11 by 6 into 6. So it becomes 3, this becomes minus 4x, and this becomes 11. So we can say that 3 minus 11 less than equal to 4x. Try to make x positive, okay? Always keep x positive, okay? So minus 8 less than equal to 4x. So minus 2 less than equal to x. Now we got two situations, see? 1, 2. We'll combine these two. See, minus 2 is less than equal to x and x is less than equal to 3 by 4, which means x lies between these two. This is a smaller value. So we'll write x is such that the smaller value minus 2 less than equal to x, and x is what? Less than equal to 3 by 4, and x belongs to. So this is the set builder form, isn't it? And now the roster form. We know the natural numbers between minus 2 and 3 by 4. It will be 1, 2, 3. And now we'll draw the number line. See, we'll take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take few extras. So 1, 2, and 3. So this is my answer. Clear? Remember, we'll separate it and solve it. Okay, and then we'll combine this to get in set builder form. Now we look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 16 again. There are two inequations, you know. The first one will be from here to here, and the second one from here to here. We'll write that. The first one is what? 3 greater than equal to x minus 4 by 2 plus x by 3. And the second equation is, and x belongs to integers, they have already given, okay? X minus 4 by 2 plus x by 3 greater than equal to 2. Fractional form. Will multiply by 6 on both sides. So this becomes 3 multiplied by 6 greater than equal to x minus 4, 2 into 6, and this is x by 3 multiplied by 6. So this becomes 18 greater than equal to, this is 3x minus 12 plus, this is 2x. Now I'll solve it. So 18 plus 12 greater than equal to, this is 5x. So 30 greater than equal to 5x, which means 6 greater than equal to x, which mean, can I say x less than equal to 6? Clear? Now look at this one again. I'll multiply by 6. So x minus 4 by 2 multiplied by 6 plus x by 3 multiplied by 6 greater than equal to 2 into 6. That's 3 times, that's 2 times. So that's 3x minus 12 plus, this is 2x greater than equal to 12. Okay. So this becomes 5x greater than equal to 12 plus 12, which means 5x greater than equal to 24, which means x greater than equal to 24 by 4, which means x greater than equal to 4, sorry, this will be 5, 4 by 5, which means, can I write 4 by 5 less than equal to x? Now look, combine these two. When you combine these two, what you will get? 4 by 5 is less than equal to x, and x is less than equal to 6. See, the smaller value over here, the bigger value over here, and your x belongs to integer. So this is a solution set. We'll have the answer. This will be 5 and 6, isn't it? So 5 and 6 is the solution set, and the number line, suppose this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. So 5 and 6 are your answers. Clear? Now we look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 23. It came in ICSE 2000. Okay, they have asked for the solution set and the number line. Again, very easy. These are two inequations rather, sorry. And 3 minus 2x less than 9. Be careful, this is less than equal to, this is less than, okay. So can I write 2x comes over here, so 3 plus 3, 3 goes over here, 2x comes over here, which means transpose system we are doing, 2x less than equal to 6 or x less than equal to 3. Over here, if you look carefully, can I write, I'll take x on that side, okay. So this becomes this, so minus 6 is, this is 2x, so minus 3 less than x. Now look over here, if you combine this, can we write minus 3, the smaller one first, less than x, less than equal to 3, and x belongs to what? Real number. X is such that. So this is our solution set. we cannot enlist the element because real number, we have infinite real numbers between minus 3 and c, so you can't list out the element as in case of natural number or whole number or integer. We know the exact value. Over here we don't know. Now how to draw the number line? Look over here, be careful. This is your minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. I'll take one extra on both sides. So your value starts from minus 3, your value ends with 3. Look carefully, all the values belonging over here is our solution set plus 3, so we'll shade 3 also. Minus 3 does not belong, so we are not shading this part. So this is your solution set. Equal to, we shade. If the equal to is not there, we do not shade that part, and we have to shade the part between them because they all are included in our solution set. Now we look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 26. We need to solve it. We need to find the solution set and we need to graph it on the number line. Of course, it will be then the solution set will be in a set builder form because x belongs to real number. It can't be in the roster form. Okay. Now again, two equations. We'll take, this is minus 8 by 3 less than equal to x plus 1 by 3 and x plus 1 by 3 less than equal to 3 plus 1 by 3. Now we'll multiply by 3 on both sides. So x into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 3. So that becomes minus 8 less than equal to 3x plus 1. So minus 1 come on this side. So that's minus 9 less than equal to 3x. So minus 3 less than equal to x. We got 1. Now the other one, x less than equal to 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. I didn't multiply with the LCM because I know if I take 1 by 3 on that side, it becomes negative. It cancels out. So x less than 3. We have solved this. So we'll combine these two. See, x is such that minus 3 less than equal to x less than 3. Okay. And our x belongs to real number. That's the set builder form for the solution set. We can't write the roster form. Okay. Now look, this is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll shade all the part in between. We'll shade minus 3, will not shade 3. So that is our number line. Clear? Now we look at the next sum. Look at sum number 27. Again, they've given two inequations. We have minus 3 less than half minus 2x by 3 and minus half minus 2x by 3 less than equal to 5 by 6. First solve this, I'll bring 2x by 3 on this side, so this becomes minus half plus 3. I'll multiply by 6 to remove the fractional part, you know, the denominator. So 2x by 3 into 6, half into 6 plus 3 into 6. So that becomes 4x less than, this becomes minus 3, this becomes plus 9, which means 6 3s are 18. This is 15. So we can say that x less than 15 by 4, which means x less than 3 by 4. Now we'll solve this one. Okay, so this is minus half minus 5 by 6 less than equal to 2x by 3. Okay, try to make x positive always. Okay, if it's possible, the first second step. Okay, now we'll multiply by 6 on both sides. So minus half into 6 minus 5 by 6 into 6 less than equal to 2x by 3 multiplied by 6. So that's 3 times, that 1 time, that's 2 times. So this becomes minus 3 minus 5 minus 3 minus 5 less than equal to, this is 4x. So this is minus 8 less than equal to 4x. So minus 2 less than equal to x. Now see, I'll combine these two. So first I'll write this minus 2 less than equal to x, the smaller one. Then I'll write this less than equal to 3 by 4, and x belongs to your real number. X is such that, so this is our solution set, isn't it? x is such that minus 2 less than equal to x less than 3 by 4 and x belongs to real number. Now we'll draw the number line, okay? So our number line starts from minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 by 4 means this between 3 and 4. We'll divide this into 4 equal parts. And the third part is nothing but 3 by 4. So from here to here, all the values between them, this is not included and minus 2 is included. So this is our number line. Now we look at the next sum. Look at sum number 29. It came in ICSE 2016. Again, there are two equations. Minus 3x minus 7 greater than equal to 15 minus 7x and 15 minus 7x greater than x plus 1 by 3. We'll just open the brackets, so this becomes minus 3x plus 21 greater than equal to 15 minus 7x. I'll bring minus 3x, x on one side and numbers on the other side, so this becomes 4x greater than equal to minus 6, I think, okay, which means x greater than equal to minus 6 by 4, which means x greater than equal to minus 3 by 2, which we can write minus 3 by 2 less than equal to x. Any day we can write, okay. Then just look over here. Now we'll multiply by 3 on both sides, so 15 minus 7x into 3 greater than equal to x plus 1 by 3 multiplied by 3, so this 3 cancels. 45 minus 21x greater than equal to x plus 1, so 45 minus 1 greater than equal to x plus 21x, which means 44 greater than equal to 22x, which means 44 by 22 greater than x, 2 greater than x, which means x less than 2. Now we'll combine these two. Look carefully. Minus 3 by 2 less than equal to x, and x is less than equal to 2 and x belongs to real number. X is such that, which means this is our solution set. We can't write this in roster form because it's a real number. Now suppose this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is minus 1, this is minus 2. Now look, minus 3 by 2 means minus 1 by 2, which is in between minus 1 and minus 2, somewhere over here, isn't it? Minus 3 by 2. So we'll shade the entire thing between them, we'll shade this also, and we'll not shade 2 because 2 is not included in our answer. Clear? Now look at this sum. Interesting. A is a replacement set they've given. B is a replacement set. They've asked for find the range of set A intersection B. Range over here means the solution set only. The outcome, the values of x which we get from the replacement set. Replacement set is your domain, and the answers which we get is your range. Now look over here. We'll solve both the equations and see what we are getting. 11x minus 5 greater than 7x plus 3, which means 11x minus 7x greater than 3 plus 5, which means 4x greater than 8, which means x greater than 2. Simple. So it's a real number. So x is such that x is greater than 2 and x belongs to real number. So that's my solution set, okay, for A. Now we'll solve for B also. B is what? 18x minus 9 greater than equal to 15 plus 12x. Look carefully. So this is 18x minus 12x greater than equal to 15 plus 9, which means 6x greater than equal to 24, x greater than equal to 4, which means x is such that x greater than equal to 4 and x belongs to real number. That's my solution set for B. Now look carefully. What do I mean by intersection? Intersection means has to be present in A and has to be present in B also. Now look, when we write A is greater than 2. So after 2 your value starts. After 2 all the values because it's real number. And over here when we solve B, we got x greater than equal to 4, which means starts from 4 and goes on. So what will be common in both? So if you write A intersection B, what will get? All the elements from B and it goes on. Okay, so your answer will be x such that x is greater than or equal to 4 and x belongs to real number. So that's my A intersection B. All the values which are common in both the set. And if you draw the number line, this is your 4, 5, 6, dot, 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 dot. This is 3. So it starts from 4 and it goes on, isn't it? And shade this part also. So that's our number line. Intersection means common in both. Clear? Now we look at the next sum. Now look at this sum. This came in 2012 ICSE. Now again there are two inequations, sorry. 4x minus 90 less than or equal to 3x by 5 minus 2. And the next is 3x by 5 minus 2 less than or equal to minus 2 by 5 plus x. Is it clear? We'll multiply by 5. So this becomes 20x minus, this becomes 95. And this when you multiply by 5, 5 goes away. And this becomes 10. So this becomes 20x minus 3x minus 10 plus 95, which means 17x less than 85, which means x 85 by 17 is 5. Solved. Now we'll see this one. So this is again we'll multiply by 5 on both sides. So this becomes 3x minus 10 less than or equal to minus 2 plus 5x. So 3x minus 5x less than or equal to minus 2 plus 10, which is minus 2x less than or equal to 8 minus x less than or equal to, you can say, 4, which means x greater than or equal to minus 4, which means can I write minus 4 less than or equal to x? We have discussed earlier. Now combining these two, we'll get x such that minus 4 less than or equal to x, and this is less than 5, isn't it? And again it's a real number, so the roster form we can't write. This is a set builder form, solution set, and so this is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll shade all the part between them, and we'll shade minus 4 also. We'll not shade 5 because 5 is not included. Now we'll see the next sum. Now look at sum number 14. Again, they're given two inequation. Okay, this is minus 3 plus x less than or equal to 8x by 3 plus 2. We'll multiply the entire thing by 3. So it'll get minus 9 plus 3x less than or equal to 8x plus 6. So this minus 9 minus 6 less than or equal to 8x minus 3x, which is minus 15 less than or equal to 5x, which means if you divide by 5, minus 3 less than or equal to x. Solve. We'll solve this part again. 8x by 3 plus 2 less than or equal to 14 by 3 plus twice x. We'll multiply by 3 on both sides. So this is 8x plus 6 less than or equal to 14 plus 6x. So 8x minus 6x greater than or equal to less than or equal to 14 minus 6. So 2x less than or equal to 8, x less than or equal to 4. So we got x is such that minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4, and x belongs to what? Integer. Now if x is an integer, we can have it in the roster form. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And that's for the chapter.